Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a compound interest question, and specifically they're asking for how much interest is charged or earned on an investment of 10,000 Rand at 6.5% per annum, compound interest for 3 years. Okay, so the examiner's been very helpful. They've given you the formula for compound interest. So let's use that formula initially. We're going to say, right, the accumulated amount, which is the amount at the end, is equal to the principal amount, which is the amount at the beginning, times 1 plus I, which is our interest rate, and then the number of periods, which is the number of years in this case. Now let's add in the figures that we already know. So our P is equal to 10,000. Okay, that's the amount we start with. We put in the bank. 1 plus I, our interest rate is 6.5%, which we would put over 100, or we could represent it as 0,065. Okay, so that would that's automatically putting it into a percentage form. So 6.5 over 100 is 0,065, and then we're going to raise that to the power of 3 because we are compounding it for 3 years and we are compounding it per annum. Perfect. So now we can plug all of that into our calculator and we would receive the result of 12,079,50. So 50 cents. We round off to 2 decimal places because we're dealing with currency. Now we wouldn't get the full marks here yet because we are asked for the total interest on the investment. So let's find the interest. The interest is going to be the final amount. So it's 12,079,50 minus the original amount of 10,000 that we started with, and that is going to leave us with 2,079,5, and that is going to be the answer to that question. Thanks so much guys for tuning in. A very special thank you to our sponsors, and remember to check our website for more awesome videos like this one. Until the next time, stay epic.